Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today's topic on software maintenance and evolution within the framework of ISO 12207, the international standard for software lifecycle processes. In this topic, we'll explore the concepts, processes and challenges associated with software maintenance and evolution organized under distinct headings for clarity and comprehension. Overview of software maintenance and evolution. Let's begin by establishing a foundational understanding of software maintenance and evolution. Software maintenance encompasses all activities involved in modifying, updating, and enhancing software after its initial release. On the other hand, software evolution refers to the process of adapting software to changing requirements, technologies, and environments over time. Together, maintenance and evolution ensure the long-term viability and effectiveness of software systems. Maintenance processes in ISO 12207. ISO 12207 defines several maintenance processes that organizations can utilize to manage software maintenance effectively. These processes include corrective maintenance, addressing defects and errors identified in the software; adaptive maintenance, modifying the software to accommodate changes in the external environment such as new hardware or operating system versions; perfective maintenance, enhancing the software's functionality, performance, or usability based on user feedback or evolving requirements; preventive maintenance, proactively identifying and addressing potential issues to prevent future problems and improve overall system reliability. Evolution processes in ISO 12207. Similarly, ISO 12207 outlines processes specifically aimed at managing software evolution. These processes involve requirements analysis and management, analyzing evolving requirements and assessing their impact on the software; configuration management, managing changes to the software's configuration to ensure consistency and traceability; system implementation and deployment, planning and implementing changes to the software including testing and deployment activities; validation and verification, ensuring that the evolved software meets the specified requirements and quality standards through rigorous validation and verification activities. Challenges in software maintenance and evolution. Despite the structured approach provided by ISO 12207, organizations encounter various challenges when performing software maintenance and evolution. These challenges include legacy systems, dealing with outdated software systems with complex architectures and limited documentation; changing requirements, adapting software to evolving business needs and technological advancements while minimizing disruptions; technical debt, managing accumulated technical debt resulting from shortcuts, compromises, and deferred maintenance; compatibility and integration, ensuring seamless integration with existing systems and third-party components while evolving the software; risk management, effectively mitigating risks associated with introducing new defects, causing system downtime, or compromising security during maintenance and evolution activities. In conclusion, software maintenance and evolution are essential components of the software lifecycle governed by ISO 12207. By understanding and adhering to the defined processes, organizations can effectively manage the challenges associated with maintaining and evolving software systems, ensuring their continued relevance and effectiveness in an ever-changing landscape. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask if you need further elaboration on any point. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.